Alright guys, I'm back with the last 18 packs. It's been a pretty solid box so far. Still have a hit left in this side. Insert of Josh Hamilton. And Jose Reyes. Matt Stairs, number to 2009, and a Josh Beckett insert. Sidney Rice is tearing it up today. Topstown of Carl Crawford. And a Reggie Jackson, Legends of the Game. Wow, this feels mega thick. Wouldn't even open, but there is a hit. See what it is. Oh my lord. Jason Worth jersey card from the All-Star game. Some Philly fans might want that, but I sure don't. Hopefully we get an extra hit. A gold of Brad Bergeson, a Topstown of Troy Tulowitzki, and a Brian Roberts, turkey red for the PC. Hunter Pence, Torrey Hunter, and a Juan Mayer show in a Red Sox uniform. I've never seen him in a Red Sox uniform before. Oh my lord. Holy ball sack. Look at that. Look how thick that pack is. Excuse me. Good God. Let's count how many cards there is. Hold on. There is a hit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 cards plus a hit. Let's see what the inserts are first. Mariano Rivera, Trent Figgins, and oh, it's a silk. Cool. It's Lance Nix, but it's silk. Numbered at 50. Very cool. So I always take an extra hit. Johan Santana, turkey red, and Scott Rowland gold. This pack's don't like to open though. Hideki Okajima, Ring of Honor, and Dan Ugla. Oh, sick. Yes. You guys don't know who this is, but it's my favorite player of all time. Landon Powell. I absolutely love Landon Powell. That is going into my PC. I'm so happy right now. I didn't even see that. I didn't even know he had a card. Brad Moeller and a Vernon Wells insert. Yes, that just made a box for me. And if you guys think I'm being sarcastic, I'm really not. He's the best catcher in South Carolina Gamecocks history. Ask Johnny8242. He knows who Landon Powell is. Adam Dunn, poster thing, and Torrey Hunter. Oh, yes, sir. 2 more packs. Oh, yes. Kevin Pukelis, as PJH would say, but I don't really like him. He's a douchebag, but I'm a Red Sox fan, so. Joey Votto, Topstown, and the last pack with Mr. Beautiful Ty Cobb on the front. Wouldn't mind having a cut autograph of him. Holy crap, that pack opened. went dead again. There's a Gary Sheffield Turkey Red. And a Justin Verlander. So not a bad box at all. I will take it. And I love my Landon Powell. And I'll see you guys on Wednesday with 10 boxes. Peace.